Hello, so in this video I'll be demonstrating a Appium automation I've set up. So basically what this does is it automates the process of taking a YouTube video that I've published with a poll and then running a loop where it takes the results of a poll and then uses the results of that poll to inform an API call to an AI that generates a video that continues the story told by the original video. So right now you can see this emulator is set up on the left, and what you'll see is that it's automatically, without me touching it, it's going in, and right now it's just looking to get this data right here. What happens next? It's trying to figure out what happens next in the story. And so, yeah, basically it just found and saw that there's poll options. The video had just been posted, so it didn't have any poll results. So it just defaults to the top option there in that situation. But yeah, basically it just right there, it just checked, opened the YouTube video, looked and saw what video it, or excuse me, what the poll options were, what the results of the poll were. And so then now it's taking that and then creating a context for which to inform the creation of the following video. And so that's what's going on right now. That second command I just started right here. So it's talking to the Grok API, and this will generate the context that will inform the creation of this video. That video just happened, and it created the context. And now it'll now we just run the actual part where we create the video and then post the video with the poll for the next outcome. So yeah, as you can see, here's the context that it came up with, and yeah, we'll have a option where it'll have the different, you know, the current, for the story that's going on right now that I've been running and continuing. It's about this family in Texas that keeps baking stuff, and the AI just is like, okay, they've been baking stuff, and now they just bake something new. And basically, the poll options are always baking new things for the wedding. So it's just continuously having this family bake things, and yeah, for the wedding. So yeah, and the options have actually been getting increasingly like interesting. At first, it was just like a cake, and then now it's like getting a little fancy. Like, oh, it's a carrot cake now. So that's interesting that it's like getting more complex. And yeah, so right now what it's doing is generating the actual content. So specifically right now I just generated the script, and so right now it's generating the querying live peer pipelines and generating the sound effects. So it's also querying 11 labs for sound effects. But yeah, the live peer pipeline is where the voice comes in. So yeah, and it's generating about 10 clips per scene. So it's generally trying to do about like 2 to 4 seconds per clip, and then yeah, it stitches all that together to create the video. Now it started generating the video content using a call to fail AI, foul AI, and this is right. This current video I've just been testing right now, so it's using a cheaper text to video model. So the text to video models can vary quite. There's a big variance in how much you can pay to have a text to video model run. So this one is just like a few cents to run per video, whereas you can pay dollars for videos. And so the way that I've been doing this has been just manually doing it, the three-step process there that I've outlined. But I've also created a scheduler that will basically do this automatically at a fixed time. And yeah, the idea is that it's every 24 hours taking the results of the previous poll. So that way people can actually have time to engage with the poll before the next video is created. So that way that's actually audience interaction. It's done generating all the video content, and now it's just stitching everything together, all the sound that it made, all the different video clips, and now it's got the video all together. So it's opening up the YouTube and it'll post the video now. So it should be opening up YouTube. Oh, first it's pushing, it first had to take the video that we created and then just add it into the emulator so that way we can actually post it. Okay, so now it's opening up YouTube. So yeah, I just clicked that the plus in the bottom corner, and now it is gonna click the add button there in the left corner. So it's now gonna pull up the gallery. So that's the most recent video. That's the video that we just made right there. And it just clicked that next button in the corner. Now it's gonna click the done button in the corner. But it happens just like at a fixed interval because it's just like, just takes a little time. Sometimes that can take a long time. So like the delay time, the budget I had for this one is 60 seconds. But yeah, that time the processing happened quickly. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait it out. You can run this. It's called a headless. You can run this so that it just happens automatically in the terminal without the window actually popping up. So that can be useful for automating using a VPS. But it also makes it harder to debug because you can't actually see where it went wrong, if it went wrong, and yeah, if it goes wrong at all, actually, all you can tell is if it uploaded the video successfully or not. Okay, so just click the check there. So now it's going to add the poll to the video. So yeah, just click the sticker button. It touched the poll button. Now it types in what probably I don't know exactly what the poll question is going to be, but it should have something to do with like what's going to be baked next or what happens next.
Yeah, I can play later. Wildcatcher for a wedding cake test. Let Twitters get crazy.
Is this bad or fighting good?
Very good to bake.
So I wanted to do this with YouTube, or excuse me, with Instagram Reels and TikTok, but they are very against automation. It's against their terms of service. I still tried to automate the posting, but TikTok, it doesn't even let you use emulators at all. And Instagram, it let me download the app and sign in, but then didn't, as soon as I started trying to do anything, it would just crash the app. So I tried to engineer around it, but it did not work out. So yeah, it just dragged that poll to the corner and uploaded. So yeah, there's a few tweaks I'll make. Like the polling is kind of big. Like I'll try to shrink the poll and then obviously add captions right there. But yeah, that's the whole core of the loop. So I should be posting pretty regularly now on this YouTube account I have. So the idea is I'll be posting regularly during the month of July, and hopefully we can get some good engagement.